Assembly and operation guidance of Hemway energy saving boiler M9. Assembly steps. Step 1. Use thread seal tape. Connect the water inlet pipe to water inlet port. Step 2. Connect the drain cover to the water outlet pipe. Step 3. Use thread seal tape. Connect the Y-shaped steam controlling switch to steam port. Turn off steam control switch. Step 4. Connect the Y-shaped vapor collecting pipe to vapor collecting port. Step 5. Connect the steam pipe to steam controlling switch in main part. Connect the vapor collecting pipe to vapor collecting port. Connect another side of collecting vapor pipe and steam pipe to the steam iron. Step 6. Connect the water inlet pipe to the water inlet port or put it in the bucket. Connect the drainage pipe to drainage port or put it in the bucket. Step 7. Connect to power. When starting work, turn the rotary knob to on work. Open the steam valve of the machine. Press the increase or decrease button to adjust the steam pressure. When the pressure increases to a set number, start to iron. After ironing, close the steam valve immediately. While taking a short break, turn the knob to the rest position. The device will enter the standby state. When finishing work, turn the knob to the off position. The equipment enters the state of blowdown. After 2 minutes, the equipment completes blowdown, automatically shuts down. Hemway energy saving ironing overall solution provider.